Hi everyone, this is M.N.R from Derivation Institute. So happy to know now that we have started e-math program. It is completely free to you, and please support me by subscribing this channel, and please like my video, and please share to your friends and your parents and your kids, your neighbors and your relatives. Okay. So as per this free e-math program, we have been learning many mathematic techniques, shortcut techniques we are learning now. So as per this e-math program, we have learned many multiplication tricks now. So in this video also, I'm going to reveal a secret thing of 7, 11, 13, these three numbers now. So it is a beautiful, amazing fact about these three numbers 7, 11, 13. So please don't miss it. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe our channel Brain Booster Institute, and please like it and please share it to your friends. Okay, let us start the lesson now. Yeah, welcome to the EMATH program. So, see, my dear friends, can you solve these two problems? Means 954 into 7 into 11 into 13 is equal to is how much? And 96 into 7 into 11 into 13 is equal to how much? Here in these two problems, we need to solve in the 5 seconds only. At the 5 seconds also, it takes more time. But we can say in 1 second if you know the secret. But now I am giving 5 seconds to you to reveal the answer. Please check it now. Time start now. Yeah, time's up. Let's see the secret of the 7, 11, 13. Let's know that. See, 96 into 7 into 11 into 13. Here, my students and friends and parents and relatives, no need of multiply this. Don't waste your time by multiplying this. It takes at least 3 to 4 minutes to multiply this kind of multiplication. See what I'm gonna do. See, only directly without multiplying, I am going to write the answer within the seconds now. Got the point? Let's see the what is answer now. The simple 96096. Simple. Whatever the given number, same number I'm writing here and 0 and 96. Got the point? So very easiest step means any two-digit number, if you multiply with these kind of the product 7, 11, 13, you will get the same answer 96096. Any kind of that. Got the point? If you take a 23 into 7 into 11 into 13, 23, 0, 23. Finish. If you take 84, then the answer would be 83, sorry, 84, 0, 84. It's a very simple question. Now, how it is possible? What the secret has been involved is there is no any secret. The simple see the product of 7, 11, and 13. If you ask how, then I will explain. Either otherwise I don't. Okay. So let me explain how. How? See, 7 into 11 into 13 is nothing but by multiplying these three numbers, we get to 1001. Simple. If you multiply any number with 1001, let's multiply 96 with 1001. What do you get, my dear friends? 96096. You can check it now. Only the simple technique 7 into 11 into 13 is 1001. By multiplying any number with 1001, we get the same. So that's why, yeah, that is the secret. But no need of multiplying, just keep it in your mind 7 into 11 into 13 is equal to 1001. So 1001 into 96 is equal to 96096. And keep it in your mind, it 96096 means 296 we have taken and between we have kept the zero. Only this kind of doing application only it applicable for only two digit number. This kind of multiplication doesn't applicable for a three-digit number. It differ for a three-digit number. Let's see by taking one three-digit number with the multiplication of 7 into 11 into 30 now. Let's see. Let's take one three-digit number now. That is 678 I have taken. 678 into 7 into 11 into 13. Okay. So if you multiply this one, you may take 3 or 4 minutes to multiply, or at least 2 minutes, but no need of multiplying. Okay, don't multiply. No need to multiply. Got the point? See, simple. Directly, I am writing 678, and I'm writing one more 678. It's very simple. Means what would be the answer of this product? 678 into 7 into 11 into 13 is always 678, 678. You can take any kind of three-digit number, you will get the same. For example, I am taking 956. 956 into 7 into 11 into 13, it equals to 956, 956. Very good. If you take any three-digit number, you will get the same answer. Got the point? So this is very beautiful, amazing fact about 7 and 11 and 13. Okay, the same thing, same step will be involved here. If you ask how, then I will explain. See, same 7 into 11 into 13 is equal to 1001. Then by multiplying 1001 with 678, we get here 678 into 6. Sorry, 678, 678 means 6. What is it? 6,78,678 now. Got the point? So I think you got inspired. You got mm, what is it? Got amazing, beautiful, amazing impact of 7, 11, 13. Please keep in your mind here. Okay, no need of multiplying that. Okay, there are many amazing facts of in mathematics. That's why I love mathematics. Please, you also love mathematics. Okay, so thanks for watching this channel. Okay, to know such kind of latest concepts and amazing facts of mathematics and Vedic maths and speed maths and uh, latest concept, new concepts. So please subscribe my channel and like it and share it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.